Hello buddy, it's Preston Summer 3.0 here. Today I'm going to have a very cool airplane. So I'm going to work this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piece. 10 block like this. You take this with 1, 2, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put here in the second place. There, 1, 2, and I put there. Put 2, actually 2. And then now you put the lights like this. 2, put 1 here, and the other one here. And got one like this here, like of eagle, like eagle beak. So you take 2 more like this, one here and 1 here. This. And now you put it's like this, 8 circle like this. And you put 1 of green, and here you got like this with the green here little, and 8 this. That. And you put the green, and you use this. You put it here. And then you put it a red flag like this. Either a sticker, you destroy a sticker. This. But it can be any color you want. So, and then you take 2 of these. Red, you put 1 here. And 1 here. Like this. And then you take 2 of these, you put 1 here, and 1 here, and now you got the Falcon. And you take another, and you take this one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small, and you put it here. Set it like this. And take 2 of these, you put 1 here, and the other one here. You see here, and here. Take a green piece, you put a green piece like this. You put it here. This, and there's 2 pieces very rare because it's not in Lego, it's only in Mega Block from the Iron Man set. Put here. Actually, I thought it was a Lego piece, but actually not. I found it. This card, the card. You put them here, and then you put you take this, you place it here. Then you take, what is this, you put it here, 2 again. Here and here. Now you take 2 of these. You need 4, but now we just need 2. You put it here and here. You take 2 of these. 1 unites. 1 here and 1 here. then you need a piece like this. You put this, put it right here. I know it's many here, and you need 2 of these. I'll put one here, one here. And got this. You need a more like this, a more. You put it here. And you put gray piece, and then you put it here. And this gray and this gray piece, like the gray piece but black, you put it right here. And you need glass. I know it's very wrong. Put it here. Glass is like a little bit base place. And you put 2 more of these. One here and one here. One here and one here. Now you got a piece like this. You gotta push on the glass piece. See? This you put on the glass piece. And with the 2 last pieces of these, you're gonna put it right here and here. You see here, this here is a 3, and then you connect with the here. You connect here and here. Thanks for watching. And please watch other video about me with making cool Lego. Bye.